Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your PrizePicks password. The first thing I want you to do is go ahead and log out of your PrizePicks account if you have already. So you come at the top right, click on your profile icon, come here, hit sign out. Okay, make sure you log out, and once you're logged out, what I want you to do here in the sign in page, click here on forgot password. Okay, click here, forgot password, and now you need to enter your email that you have linked with your account. They'll actually send you a reset link. So enter your email right here and hit send instructions. And as you can see, request successful. Please check your email to reset password. So you go to your email, they'll send you a link, which will be the reset link. You click on that link, they'll ask you to enter your new password, and then you can enter your email address and your new password right here and just log in like you normally would. That easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.